Hi everyone, join me as I unpack these two sets of sea animal toys. Here's an ocean world and undersea world. Let's learn about marine life together. Listen and repeat after me. Alright, let's go. Whale.
Whale. Bye, whale.
Starfish.
Starfish. Bye, starfish.
Crab.
Crab. Bye, crab.
Sawfish.
Sawfish. Bye, sawfish.
Horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe crab. Bye, horseshoe crab.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtle. Bye, sea turtle.
Shark.
Shark. Bye-bye, shark.
Let's open the second one. Ocean world. Let's start. Lobster.
Lobster. Bye, lobster.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtle. Bye, sea turtle.
Squid.
Squid. Bye, squid.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Bye, dolphin.
Octopus.
Octopus. Bye, octopus.
Leopard seal.
Leopard seal. Bye, leopard seal.
Tortoise.
Tortoise. Bye, tortoise.
Crab.
Crab. Bye, crab.
Manta Ray.
Manta Ray. Bye, Manta Ray.
Walrus.
Walrus. Bye, walrus.
Seahorse.
Seahorse. Bye, seahorse.
Starfish.
Starfish. Bye, starfish.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's learn more animals in our next video. See you again. Bye.